Hello and welcome to your NAB Trade reporting season top 3. I'm Andrew Gagan. Well, REA Group has lifted its fully franked interim dividend to $1.14 a share while launching an on-market share buyback of $200 million. The property listings firm reporting a 24% decrease in reported half-year net profit to $336 million, largely reflecting the gain on the sale of its investment in Property Guru. Profit from core activities was up 9% to $341 million, despite fewer listings, but supported by stronger yields in the residential sector. REA saying the Australian property market is experiencing strong buyer demand nationally and anticipates between 12 and 14% residential yield growth for this financial year. The News Corp owned real estate platform also says that more people are visiting its websites, with 12.7 million people on average for each month of 2025. Well, Ryan McCofferty from Sandstone Insights provided an outlook on REA Group's residential buy yield.
Yield continues to just grow and grow exponentially. It's up 14%. Around 7% of that was from price, so price rises, another 7% from product and depth penetration as well. So really growing quite strongly there. And this continues to deliver double-digit growth despite listings going backwards. And so we think where the share price is now, where the valuations are now, it's trading at an EV/EBITDA ratio of nearly 15, 16 times, which is the lowest it's been in quite a long time, nearly the COVID lows sort of valuation that we're talking here.
Meanwhile, News Corp says growth at Dow Jones and its digital real estate business offset weaker conditions in its Australian news business. It saw a 6% increase in quarterly revenue to $2.36 billion US. Total segment EBITDA increased 9% to $521 million US, but net income from continuing operations fell 21% to $242 million. That's because of the last year's one-off gain from the sale of REA Group's Property Guru. The news division seeing a 5% fall in EBITDA to $70 million US, reflecting a lower contribution from News Corp Australia and the New York Post. News declaring a half-year dividend of 10 US cents a share. And China Hall Retail REIT saw after-tax profit more than double over the half year, net profit rising to nearly $241 million from nearly $106 million a year earlier. Distributions for the half came in at 12.75 cents per unit, up 4.1% from a year ago. Operating earnings were up 3.4% to nearly $76 million. The REIT reaffirming guidance for operating earnings of at least 26.4 cents per unit. And that is your NAB Trade reporting season top 3.